Hello guys, welcome back to Mumbai Travel. I hope you guys are doing good. This is the part 2 of the Instagram story ideas. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to Mumbai Travel. Also, please press the bell icon over there so whenever I'm online, you guys get a notification from YouTube. So the first one is using letters. Simply go to the menu, go to the GIF section and search for collage letters or just simply type letters. You will get different letters over there which are blinking. Some are the basic ones. You can use any one. So I have a picture of a wine over here. So I'll be writing down wine and make it look attractive as much as I can do it. Sometimes we have certain pictures which we don't want to upload on our feed, but we want to put it on the stories because of certain highlights. So do the full page black and then use the eraser and erase the part which you want to show and make a circle out of it, and make sure you do it perfectly so you have a circle shape out here. Use a pen and take a lighter color and the smallest one and just make a ruching circle ruching around it so that the edges which you have erased gets covered and it looks attractive as well. If you feel that you have made more lines, just take the eraser and erase out, and make sure you erase in such a way that people do not get to know that you have made a mistake. Go to the search bar then and pick up some stickers which can go with the picture and just put it at the side. I'm taking let's eat out sticker which is easily available on the search box. Just go and type, you will get different GIF as well as normal stickers out here, and place it at the edge of the picture. And you also can type what the picture is all about. Here I have a dim sum, so I'm writing dim sum in just a different font and making it colorful so that it looks pretty. I am making sure that it goes contrast with what my picture is all about so that it looks really attractive. And make sure you guys do it too. You can use different fonts to make your picture look more attractive. I have used two fonts here so that my picture is getting attracted by my followers. So the third one is hanging around, which gives the letters a hanging effect and makes it look more attractive. This is one of my favorites. So when you're doing this, make sure you keep space between the letters. Whatever you're typing, make sure there is at least a space. You can make it two also. Keep two space between each letter. I have used a shadow effect while doing this, so I am using a light shade on the base, then the black one or the darker shade, and then I'm giving it a orange look because it is of a sunset picture, so I wanted to give it an evening sort of look, so I'm doing that over here. So after that, you do is keep it in order so that it gives you a shine and gives you a shadow effect as well. Then do is type underscore or the dash 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 till you get a line, a single line. This one I've used with a space so that it gives a different look compared to the usual ones. Copy this because we are going to use it later as well. I have turned it around. You can use different colors also. I have tried different variants, and then I came up with the red color, which was looking really good with the shade I have selected, and I just placed it on the first letter so that it gives a hanging effect. You can do is use the first and the last to keep it a hanging effect with the same color obviously, or you can do is keep the first, last and even the center word or the letter you can keep and give it a hanging effect. And at the bottom write something with a different font, like I have written over here brighter with a different font, which is giving it a different and a beautiful look. So you can try different things with your Instagram stories. Make sure it is beautiful. That's it. So next is words break. So are you one of those who are traveling and you do not just want to post a snap story or a Insta story with just clouds around? You can do some fun with your picture. Make an zigzag line. Make sure it is not a perfect one. Obviously we do not want perfection in this. Have two pin locations, one at the start, one at the end, and start playing with the lines and the stickers around. Then what you do is, when you are starting your location from, if you're going from Bali to Mumbai, then at the start you mention Bali, and at the end you can mention wherever you're traveling from. And to, I am traveling from Bali to Mumbai, so I am mentioning Bali at the starting and Mumbai at the last point. Also, it is not over yet, so what you do is take a dark color pen and just mention bye over here. You can type anything you want. Obviously I have written bye over here, and then I have used an eraser. Obviously not the smallest one, use a medium one which can erase the center line. Just give it a single stroke or a double if you feel it is very small. And what you do is, wherever you're taking off from, if I am traveling from Bali to Mumbai, I have used Bali with space in between and mentioned it in between the bye. So here it is, how it is looking. It is really looking good. It is pretty. You can change the color if you want. The red color was not that pleasing, so I have used the pink shade over here, which is really good. And you can try with the black variant also if you want to, and make sure it looks beautiful. That's it guys, your story should be beautiful. So next is something which is very easy. Just play with your sticker game. If you have a simple picture, you don't want to do too much, just have a cloud which is a thinking cloud, and type something which is related to the picture. I here have a berry smoothie, so I'm just typing berry smoothie and giving a shiny look and keep it inside the cloud, so it is very normal. And then I'm typing lines over here, so you can get different GIF over here. You can select any which you want and make it look more attractive. I'm using the black one over here and turning it around and just keeping it next to my glass, so that it makes sure that it looks like it is coming from the glass and gives it a normal and a beautiful look as well. So it is not over yet. You can type different letters, different words over here, and I'm using like over here. So which is making it more beautiful as well. So I have done one more of it. So over here, make the entire screen go black and go to the sticker section and just mention Hallie's World. She's one of an influencer who has her own stickers over here. So I have used the computer screen sticker from her. And what you do is just erase the part which you want to show in the screen. It is going to give you a computer effect. So I have centered it to the pizza section and I'm going to erase it out. Also, after doing, if you feel you have done any mistake, you can always redo it. So guys, here is the end of our video. I hope you guys like it. Comment below which is your favorite idea and share it with your friends so that they can make attractive stories on their Instagram. And do not forget to subscribe to Mumbai Travel. Till then, bye bye.